what's up? How y'all doing? Y'all doing good? What's up, what's up? Hey, all right, guys, Chef Ernie here, and I'm at the iconic AJ's Oyster Bar, man, and I'm with my boy Kamori right here, and we're gonna shuck up some oysters, man. Let me just tell you something. When I grew up in New Orleans, right, my grandfather owned a chain of seafood boats. We used to have oyster boats, we used to have shrimp boats. I grew up on the bayou. And my grandpa and my great-grandpa had a technique about shucking oysters, and I'm gonna share it with you and Carmela right now, right? Watch this. Okay, so most people when they shuck oysters, right, they have to wear a glove or they worry about stabbing their hands. You follow my technique, you ain't have to go worry about that, baby. So what you wanna do is you wanna look for what I call an eye in the oyster, which is right here. And then all you gotta do is take your knife, and let me just show you something. I hold the knife in my hand just like this, and I point with my index finger, because look how strong that is. If you hold the knife like this, you see it's not as strong. You hold it like this, you can't move, right? It's all about leverage. Watch me. Hold it, find the eye, pop it one time, and you see, it's open that easy, guys. And then you want to just release it from the shell right there, and you got a perfect shuck oyster. So we'll try another one. Watch this. Find the spot, and then up and down. Pow, you saw that right there? See what I'm doing, right? Pretty cool, right? You ever seen that? See, like you find it, and you see how strong that is right there? You find that hole, pop it one time. See, I got it on the first one like that. And then you pop it open like that. Look at that perfect oyster. It's not all cut up like that. Then you just open it up, you get it off the muscle from the shell, and that's a perfect oyster, baby. Ah, first time you eat one? Yeah. Come on, here we go. Come on, we got a toast. Hey, and guess what? Believe it or not, this guy right here, he just showed me something about shucking oysters. He's pretty good, right? I guess he shucks a lot of them here at AJ's, right? Come on. But you know what?
The AJ sauce.
Ooh, give me some of that. Give me some of that right there. AJ sauce.
Yeah, right here.
Oh, my friend, cheers. Cheers, my friend. Cheers. Mmm. Don't get no better than that. Give me a ah. There you are.
All right, guys. So here at AJ's, the Bimini Bash.
Has 5 rums and 3 juices. We have light rum and coconut rum.
Awesome.
Iced rum and dark rum.
Oh my goodness.
And 151 rum. And 151.
Ooh. And there's a limit on how many you can have of these, right?
Per person because they're so strong.
Wow.
A little bit of cranberry juice, and then pineapple and OJ.
And that is good. Surprisingly, even with all that alcohol, you gotta come try one here at AJ's. All right, guys, so we are in AJ's new sushi bar, and I'm here with Bryce, and we're gonna be making some sushi rolls. And they've named all their sushi rolls after some of the iconic fishing fleets outside. So talk to me about what we're gonna make today.
Yeah, so let's start with the Huntress roll. It's my favorite one on the menu.
Awesome.
It's got a tuna and yellowtail.
Ooh, I love yellowtail.
So we're just gonna go ahead and slice them for the inside. And then we're doing some topping pieces.
And what is that you're dipping the knife in?
Just some water just to get it slick.
Oh, that's neat. A little trick of the trade?
Yes, ma'am. So we got that going. Gonna reach down for some jalapenos.
Give it a little kick.
I love spice. Spice is one of my favorite in sushi. I get a lot of jalapenos on mine. All right. Got all of our ingredients prepped. Got some rice and the seaweed.
Y'all make this fresh every day?
Fresh every day, yes ma'am, we do. And then we go ahead and spread it out. Make sure all the rice is, all the seaweed is covered.
Okay.
Flip it over.
What's that we're putting on?
Do a little bit of spicy mayo. Get these jalapenos in here.
That tuna
Boom.
looks fabulous.
It's delicious. I love tuna. Tuna and yellowtail. Just gotta roll a tight roll. Grab the yellowtail. Boom. That's our sushi roll. Cut it.
That looks amazing. You almost made that look too easy.
Plate it up.
What is that with corn on top?
Do a little bit of ponzu sauce. This is sriracha. More spice.
A little bit of ghee.
And then some fresh green onions on top.
And what is this one called again?
The Huntress roll.
The Huntress roll.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, guys, here at AJ's, you gotta come get some fresh made sushi.
Guys, I took advantage while Whitney's downstairs rolling some sushi up at the sushi bar. I figured I'd run y'all upstairs and show you what AJ's is really known for. The nightlife, the music, the entertainment, baby, in the Bimini Club. So let's go, baby. What's up? Follow me. Come on. What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's happening? What's happening? How we doing? How we doing? What's up? What's up? What's up? How you doing, baby? How you doing?
Good.
Y'all doing good up in here, man? How you doing, guys? Y'all doing good? What's up? What's up? How y'all doing? Y'all doing good? What's up? What's up? Yeah, you're right. Yeah, you're right. How you doing? How y'all doing, guys? Y'all doing well? Well. How you doing, man? You doing good? Doing good? What's up, baby? Yeah, good. Good. Yeah.
Look out for a new podcast called What's Up Emerald Coast. Check it out.
And then let's roll through here. Come on. What's up? What's up? This place is kicking. What's up?
Here we go.
Oh, wait. Here we go. What's up? Thank you. What's up? What's up? What's up? How we doing, guys? What's up? Chef Ernie in the house. What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up?
What's up, brother? How you
Good to see you, my brother. How are you? How are you?
Welcome to my kitchen.
What's up, guys? I'm Chef Ernie, and I'm here in the kitchen at AJ's. This is where it all happens, man. I'm with Elias here. He is the head chef here at AJ's. He's gonna show me exactly how to cook one of the iconic dishes, a ribeye steak. And guess what, guys? You know what's great about AJ's? AJ's is totally farm and Gulf to table, man. They actually produce their own beef, Angus beef, and Wagyu beef, man. Is that crazy? And at that ranch, they even produce their own farm to table vegetables, everything there. Nobody in town does that but Alan Laird and here at AJ's. And you know what? Let me tell you, nobody else puts out more food per volume than this kitchen than anywhere else. So, chef, what we're gonna do, man? You gonna cook it up?
Oh yeah, we got a beautiful ribeye right here. Look at that. Look at that beautiful ribeye.
Wow, dude,
Yeah.
look at the marbleization on
Oh,
that
yeah.
meat. You see that? That's marbleization. That's what you're looking for in good quality beef. Let's do it, chef.
we
Show me
got-
what you got.
So what I like to do, do some nice coloring. We have sauce.
Love it. You see, he put some oil on the grill. He oiled the steak up so it'll get those nice lines in it without it sticking to the grill. You don't want it to stick to the grill.
And don't be afraid, don't be shy with the seasoning.
Man,
So look at that.
I love
You're gonna see some beautiful margarine color. Look at that. Oh yeah, look at that beautiful. Look at that.
Now, guys, now we got all of these fresh farm-to-table vegetables that come from AJ's farm, right? We're gonna saute them up to go with this wonderful piece of Wagyu beef right now, baby. Let's go, chef. Do it for me,
Let's do
baby.
it.
Let's do it.
Little butter, salt and pepper, and do some nice color.
There you go, guys. You saute sauteing those vegetables like that, put the little dome on top because it's gonna help to steam them, keep those fresh juices in there with those fresh local vegetables. Man, this is gonna be dynamite.
Go for it. Look at that beautiful steak.
Wow, look at that. That's making me real hungry, guys. That's unbelievable. Look at the juice on that steak.
You see that
You're
steak?
right. My goodness. Oh my goodness.
Beautiful, huh? Let me get you a veggie now. Steamed veggies, sauté veggies.
What's up? Whoa. My man. That was great. My brother. Great job, my man. Great job.
What's up? What's up,
I can't hold back the juice, baby. What's up? What's up?